Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to enable the developer mode on your Samsung TV, then this video is for you. So here is that how you can actually enable the developer mode on the TV. So on the TV, open the Smart Hub. You can find the Smart Hub and select the apps panel. So after opening the Smart Hub, you can press your home button on your remote. Then you can find the apps from here. You have to simply go to apps, simply click on apps, then the apps panel, enter one, and apps panel enter 1 2 3 4 5. Remember that you have to simply press on your remote like 1 2 3 4 5, and using the remote control on the on-screen number keypad, the developer mode configuration pop-up appear just like this. It will pop up appear like this, and make sure this you have simply switch the developer mode on to on and enter the IP address of the computer that you want to connect with your TV, and click OK and reboot the TV, and your developer mode will turn on as soon as you reboot your TV, and you can find your developer mode on app section. So that's how you can simply easily turn on the developer mode on your Samsung TV. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.